Are you trying to find the best auto body shop in the Waco Texas Bannas Junction area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Waco's Bannas Junction area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Waco Texas Bannas Junction service, body repair service estimate. If you have ever had to have your vehicle looked at or repaired, you will be aware that there are so many companies that offer auto body repair services. So how do you narrow down your choice? Here are a few pointers to help you. Has the company been in business for a long time? Family-owned businesses are generally passed down and have a good reputation as well as quality service. They are highly experienced and take their job personally. Generally, they enjoy return trade or trade comes their way with little advertising or marketing, but by word of mouth from highly satisfied customers. That is one advertising service you can't beat. However, the company should still have an internet presence. Is the work guaranteed? One of the main things you should consider from a quality auto body repair shop is the guarantee. This is important as without a guarantee any defective workmanship will not be rectified and you may find yourself having to pay another firm to put it right. Does the company have good customer service? The hallmark of a good quality company is the way it handles its customers as well as its potential customers. A company that is polite and quick to respond to all queries with equal attention to detail is sure to give a good quality service. Does the company have a provable track record? Many companies set up and put a few testimonials on their site and these can be bogus. There is no way to tell if they are genuine or not, so although testimonials are fantastic, do not place so much emphasis on them. Does the company have contact details on the website? This is important so you can contact them either by phone or by email. Stay away from companies that only have an email web form to complete with no other means of contact available. Does the company offer high-quality repairs to a range of different makes and models of vehicle? This may be something that you hadn't thought of, but may be important in determining whether the company you choose can handle your repairs. How quickly can the repairs be undertaken? Obviously you want a quality job, but if you have to leave your vehicle in the auto repair shop for weeks, this may be a problem with alternative travel costs. You will need to hire a vehicle to use whilst yours is being repaired, and time is money. Therefore, when obtaining an assessment for repairs, ensure the time period is also factored into the costing. Will the company alert you if they find something else that needs attention? Quite often, other problems can be found once work has started on the bodywork of an auto, and a good technician will alert you if he discovers anything else that should be taken care of. The decision should be yours whether it is to be dealt with or not. The technician should not take care of the work and just add it to your bill at the end. Body collision repair near my house for Waco Texas Bannas Junction. Check out a local auto body shop in the Waco Texas Bannas Junction area to get your truck back on the road with haste. Thanks for checking out Auto Body Shop in Waco Bannas Junction. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.